25 raised to 0 minus negative 2 to the fourth plus negative 3 to the fourth minus negative 8 square. Okay, so evaluate lang natin. So for the first one, we have 25 raised to 0. That is equal to 1. And then we have minus and then negative 2 to the fourth. So that means negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. And then we have plus negative 3 to the fourth. So that is negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. And then we have minus negative 8 squared. So we have negative 8 times negative 8. So let's just simplify. We have 1. Count the number of negative signs. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 negative signs. So that means that is negative. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that is equal to 16. And then we have plus, count the number of negative sign, 1, 2, 3, 4. So even, so that means the sign will be positive, and then 3 to the fourth power, that is equal to 81. And then we have 3 negatives. So therefore, that is negative 8 times 8. So we have 64. So let's just simplify, combine the positive and all and the negative. So 1 plus 81, that is equal to 82 minus 16, negative 16 plus negative 64, that is equal to negative 80. Now subtract 82 minus 80, that is equal to 2. So the final answer is letter A, 2. Follow for more.